Hi, it's Matt from Platinum Hot Tubs and welcome back to Hot Tub SOS. So today I thought we'd talk about hot tub filters. We get asked lots of questions about how often they should be cleaned and how we should clean them. So today I thought I'd just go through that very quickly. So you could have one filter, you could have up to 5 filters in your hot tub, but the principles are all the same. So we recommend to clean your filter or wash your filter at least once a week and then once a month to give it a good deep clean. So what you're going to do once a week, you're going to take your filter out of the hot tub and literally we're just going to wash it down with a hose. But what you want to do, you want to have the filter at a 45-degree angle and literally wash down the filter with the hose. Don't come in at a 90-degree angle because basically you're driving any dirt and grime that's built up into the filter deeper in, basically into the pleats and into the fibre of the filter itself. So all we're going to do, 45-degree angle, wash down the filter, keep rotating it until you've got all the way around, and then that's your weekly wash pretty much done. Then you can put that back into the hot tub and then you're good to go for another week. Now once a month we recommend doing a deep clean of the filters themselves. So there's 2 products you can use for this. You've either got your spray cleaner or we've got cartridge cleaner. So with the spray filter, all you're going to do is you're going to take your filter out of the hot tub and you're going to completely coat the filter with the spray itself. You're then going to leave the filter sitting for at least 15 minutes and then you're going to go through the same process again as you would when you're washing the filter. So 45-degree angle, literally run the hose through it. So push all the grime and dirt out that way, literally all the way around the filter until you've got all the dirt off. One thing you're going to want to make sure you do is get all that cleaner out of the filter itself, because we don't want to be putting that back into the hot tub with filter cleaner still on it, because it's going to kill your water clarity and your water chemistry. The best way to do it is to use the cartridge cleaner. So the way we recommend doing this is to take the filters out of the hot tub, fill a decent sized bucket up, add your cartridge cleaner to it and let the filters soak overnight in that. Then once they've soaked overnight, we're going to go through the same process again, 45-degree angle, and just wash your filters through and get all that cartridge cleaner out. Once you've done that, again, pop your filters back in the hot tub and then you're good to go for another month. The best way to do it, and the way I always recommend to customers, is to have 2 sets of filters. Basically, you can then take your dirty set of filters out of the hot tub once a month, put your clean set in, and then go through your full deep clean process. This is the best way to do it because when you soak the filters in the cartridge cleaner, basically the fibres open up in the filter itself. This aids it by getting the dirt and everything out. Also, it takes a little while for the filters to go back to, or the fibres to go back to normal. So what you're going to do is once you've taken them out of the bucket, wash them off, you're then going to put them on a shelf somewhere and let those filters dry out. That way all the fibres in the filter are going to go back to normal and then you're ready to go again in a month's time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And as always, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.